Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 30th of July 2021, Blessing Friday. Today is the last trading day of the week and the last trading day of the month. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing profit and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Let's dig into straight three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. EURUSD. If you look at the EURUSD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, as you have seen that the whole week we were long, and since at the Monday when we had these breakouts, we were long, all pullbacks. If you haven't seen my this week analysis, the link is given in the video description. You can watch it. And if you look at today, we have also had a long trade here when the price broke on the previous high and banked beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to the major resistance level, which is 1984 level, and beautiful. At the New York session, we were short and banked beautiful pips as soon as the price hit at the support level. And let me share with you how I analyze in intraday through this 4-hour price action. And if I look at the intraday, this is the analysis I did at the London morning session. You can see here just before London open. So look for pullback at this level. As you can see here, price nicely developed a pullback, beautiful pullback, long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the major resistance level in 4-hour, then we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. And we had a beautiful long trade on EURUSD. And if you look at the New York session, we had a beautiful short trade here. Once the price developed a head and shoulder pattern, as you can see here, and price reached the major resistance level, which is 19,000 level. And that's why we explained to trader look for the counter short trade. The best way to look if the price is going to break this level, which price nicely broken as soon as the price hit to the major support level in 4-hour. And that's what we explained to trader it's time to enjoy pipping. So we had a beautiful long trade, London morning session, New York session, beautiful short trade. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had a quite interesting trade. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we were long, the whole week, and we were basically in intraday, we were keep taking a long trade here. Every time on the price break, you can see a pullback after the breakout, another pullback after the breakout. We were expecting another pullback. So let's see next week. But today we had a beautiful short trade here, only a few pps, and at the bottom we have another long trade here and a few more pps. And as soon as the price developed a double top here, we were short from at the New York session, and as soon as the price hit this level, we explained to trader it's time to enjoying pipping. So we had a beautiful long trade and the short trade both on pound dollar. Let me share with you the intraday analysis based on the 4-hour charts. As you can see here at the Asian session, we did this breakout trade. As you can see here at the Asian session, we had this breakout. That's what we explained to trader if the price gonna break the recent high and low. Price nicely broken, and as soon as the price hit this level at the support level at this level, and that's what we explained to trader is at this level, explained to trader bank beautiful pips on short trade here. And at the London morning session, once the price reverse, and explain to my trader look if the price is going to break this level, then we're going to be taking a long trade here. Possibility price might going to continue hit 140,000 level. That's what was target. But if the price is going to reverse, then we're going to be taking a short trade here. And what happened after that, price nicely broken as soon as the price hit to the previous high at this level. And that's what we explained to trader. Consider tightening your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even, which technically we came out at the break even. But again, that's a part of the analysis. That's why we had it. And at the New York session, especially when the price developed double top here, and that's what we explained to trader, look for this breakout and take a short trade here. And that's how we analyze it here. This is the breakout. So as you can see here, price nicely broken, and afterwards, as explained to trader, just keep taking a pullback short trade here. As you can see, we had afterwards, we have another beautiful pullback short trade here. Some of the traders are still holding short, good luck for them, but I managed to get out from at this level. beautiful short trade on pound dollar based on the 4-hour. And let's dig into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a quite interesting short and long both. As you can see, in 4-hour we were short from, after the FOMC meeting. We were short here. If you haven't seen my analysis video, link is given in the video description. We will keep taking a pullback short trade here. Even at today, at the London morning session, we had this beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, we banked beautiful pips. And at the New York session, we were long here at this level. And let me share with you how I analyze this movement in intraday system. And this is the analysis this morning. As you can see here, we were short here just before London Open. I did this analysis. Look for this breakout, which price nicely broken, beautiful as soon as the price hit to the previous level. And that's where around 15-20 pips, and explain to trader it's time to enjoying pipping, beautiful pips. And at the New York session, that's what we explained to trader. Look for price might going to reverse at this level. As you can see here, price nicely reverse and beautiful breakout. And after the breakout, we had another beautiful pullback long trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, he explained to trader it's time to consider banking beautiful pips. So you can see that we really enjoyed it, banking beautiful pips on dollar CAD. And most of the analysis, you can see all of them, you can see most of them consider banking some pips, considers banking pips. Beautiful. If you look at the another best trade we had it, that was the pound Swiss franc, beautiful short trade. We were short trade, we were watching this breakout. As you can see here, big structure is broken, and that's what we explained to trader, bank beautiful pips as soon as the price hit this level. And that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. Let me share with you the analysis just quickly about pound Swiss franc. This is the analysis I did at the market at the Asian session. Look for pullback, and this morning we had this beautiful pullback long trade, short trade here, and afterwards we have another beautiful pullback. Once the price developed, broken the major structure, as you can see here, beautiful pullback based on this analysis, and another beautiful pullback. So we had a beautiful trades on short trade. At the New York session, I updated that analysis instantly for my traders to look for another breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken as soon as the price hit to the profit target. And that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. Even after that, we had another beautiful few more short trade, but I made, you can see here, one more short trade on pound Swiss franc. So we had amazing trades, amazing day. At the last trading day, normally we only wait if there's a volatility, then we take position. So we managed beautiful pips today, guys. So as you can see, most of the pairs we're really enjoying pipping today. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoy all this analysis. The most interesting thing is you should be watching those analyses in the real time and banking pips in the real time and developing your trading skill in the real time. Once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result through this platform, we can definitely help you to get funded from platforms. If you are interested how I help my traders through live intraday analysis through this system and how I help them to get funded from platforms, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. It's completely free. Or even if you are an experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.